Okay, 5:42 p.m., May the 30th, 2024. So it's really having a hard time coming off, even with that magic white eraser I don't know if you're aware, but some dummies just don't know. Like Sarah Dawn Lopez or whatever, who's now Michael and Monica's fucking wife. She's a dum-dum, okay? She's fucking straight dumb. Because she mixed bleach and vinegar, and I heard about this. Ryan Arnold told me about it, and I about died laughing. But if you mix those two together, they can basically put off poisonous fumes that can kill you or make you really fucking sick. So she's a fucking dum-dum. Watch the chemicals that you use together. It's really important. Okay. Being that this shit isn't working, you can use bleach and sea salt and water together and it won't do anything to you. Okay. Because this is so bad. I mean, look at this. I've scrubbed it and scrubbed it and scrubbed it. And this shit is still fucking here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking bleach and water. And I am spraying it everywhere. Once this bleach and water, I'm going to try and clean it off afterwards. And then after that, I'm going to move to after I clean it off with bleach and water, I'm going to move to water and sea salt. And I'm going to wipe it down completely once it's completely white. This is going to be my process for this because this shit's not coming out. So I'm forced to use chemicals. So, okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is crazy, you guys. This is fucking nuts, the fact that I have to fucking do this shit. Yeah. Fucking cares, you little fucks. Gotta do what you gotta do to survive, man. I don't give a shit. I'll bleach the fuck out of this fucking thing. And then afterwards, I'm gonna cleanse it with the sea salt and vinegar. Or, excuse me, no vinegar. Zero fucking vinegar. I just burped. Spiritual burp. That's a fucking zero vinegar. You can't mix bleach and vinegar. That'll fucking kill you. If you didn't know, okay? Ryan actually caught Sierra doing it and told her she's a fucking dummy. Anyway. Wonder how your brother's doing on the other side, Sierra. Funny enough, he said that I'd always be, if I'm here, then who's running hell? Well, sweet dick, if you didn't know, we're already in fucking hell. So you best believe that I'm fucking running the show down here. God, up there, he's helping me. You got that? He's helping me. He's up there helping me. I work for him. Make sure that you get that fucking right. So, if you haven't noticed one of my memes, there's this old school meme that I posted. It says, you're like an angel. You're just something to the fact of, you're like an angel. What was it? Something about her being the devil too. It was fucking hilarious. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fucking get that meme and check it out. All right, see, I've posted this bleach. Generally, you can put bleach on something and it literally can eat away at stuff. Because I use this a lot in the bathtub, in the bathroom. This concoction, especially when I'm dyeing my hair black. Okay, because if there's even one little dot, I will get it off with this stuff. So, because that chemical is pretty fucking strong. And as you see here, it's been sitting here for I've been doing this for 4 minutes and 5 minutes exactly. 5:02, 5:03, 5:04, 5:05. Anyway, and usually you can do this within that amount of time. If you fucking like, if you scrub it, usually it comes right on off. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to get this fucking shit off. I don't know if you've ever done laundry and put bleach on your clothes when you got a stain. But I gotta tell you, it takes less than a minute for that fucking stain to come out. It doesn't take 5-6 minutes for it to come out. Comes out in about a fucking minute. Right? Let me see if I have any stains here to prove that, because I did just do my hair a minute ago. I'm gonna let that sit like that for a minute. Honestly, should have unplugged the fridge when I'm doing this shit, but let's see here. This is the one I used for my hair the other day. I don't know, just fucking... Clearly you see that shit from my hair, right? Usually, if you get the stain right away, it will fucking... See, it's already starting to change the color of it just from me doing that. Immediately. Do you see that? Immediately changing the color to like an orangey. Look at this shit. And mind you, this has water and bleach in it. This isn't just bleach. Usually I just put bleach straight on the fucking shit. Not even, I mean, I will fucking eat that shit away real quick. I don't give a shit. But if you notice here, it's already changing color from that black to that orange. It's starting to eat it out. You see that? It's starting to clean it out. From that to that. From that to that. In less than a minute. And that shit is still there, and it's been 7 minutes and 24 seconds. You see that shit? Still eating it out. It's still eating away. Yeah, this one I'm gonna use probably 2 or 3 more times. I wasn't even gonna bleach it. I was just gonna wash it and then use this towel 2 or 3 more times for when I'm dyeing my hair, and then I was gonna throw it away. Was my plan with this towel. That's why I didn't bleach it, because I don't give a shit about this towel. I have tons of white towels. Okay, this one I was just gonna throw away afterwards. But do you see that? Clearly, from that to that, in just a minute and 15 seconds. Okay? So there's a fucking issue here. I'm gonna try and clean this shit right on. I'm gonna put water on this motherfucker too. I'm gonna leave this here for a second because I'm gonna put water on that. Okay. Let me put this to the side for a second. This is watching for a minute. Oh. Let's see. Oh, my God, there we go. Oh, we got enough for now. Oh, motherfucker. Okay, give me a second. I need to get some more gloves. And then I'm going to try and clean this off and see if it comes off. I hope I don't get bleach on these pants. These are one of my favorite pants. I just put water all over it because I was like, oh no. Anyway, It's really in between there. It's like not fucking coming off. Oh. Do you see how long it's taking me to do this? Just this section. And it's still, look at how black this shit still fucking is. Oh, fuck. Fucking bleach on my fucking shit. I needed to get these off because I don't want them to get bleach on them. I'm gonna go get some shorts on. I need to do this because I don't want it to be bleached. I'll be fucking pissed off. So I need to just put sea salt and vinegar on, or sea salt and water on this immediately. Because I don't want it to be bleached. Because I could smell it as I was leaning on the towel. Okay. I'm gonna go change into some shorts and finish this fucking shit up. But clearly, you can see it's still fucking there. You see how long I've been fucking scrubbing. And I've been scrubbing before that, this whole fucking time. It's 14 minutes and 43 seconds in.